Hey, what's up guys, Electro Boy here, and in this video I'll be making a 18650 lithium-ion battery charger using TP4056 module. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, do give a like and also to share with your friends and subscribe for more such amazing videos. Till then, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.